everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today, guys, I will be showing you how to unlock the secret Snek game within Discord. So, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've been pretty busy, but nevertheless, I am back. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. So you're going to want to open up your search bar, and I'm going to have this link. So now we have discord.com, but then we're going to type /, and then you can literally put anything here as long as it's not like an actual link. So like discord.com, I can just like erase this, and just like random spam, and this will work. So if you type in an incorrect link or whatever, it should take you to this 404 page, which essentially means an error. And as you can see already on the right hand side, we have this robot hamster that's playing a game that kind of looks like, and then it shows Snek. Now this is what we're going to want to do. So now if you can see my cursor, or if you can't, I don't even know. Jeez. Okay, but so right next to the Snek, as you can see, there is a button that's kind of outlined in blue, right? Like, if you were looking at it from the hamster's point of view, it'd be on the right side, like directly right of the computer thing. Click on this button, and as you can see, boom, we have the Snek game. Now we can Snek, and then enter to start, and then we can use the WASD or the arrow keys to move, and then escape to quit. Here we go. So as you can see, it's actually a pretty funny game. Like, it's a really cool Discord Easter egg. I clicked F instead of D. That's cringe. But alright, so in order to, now if you want to like start moving, you might have some problems. That's just because you have to like click an arrow key before, or just like click a movement key. Otherwise it doesn't start, otherwise Snek doesn't start moving. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty kind of funny. That was horrible. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. So as you can see, they give you different numbers of points. So the apples give you 1 point. As you can see, the score is up here. Hats. So, here we go. So hats give you 10 points. Eggs give you 3 points. Apples, of course, give you 1 point. Boom. And okay. So, and then my mouse gives you 5 points. Well, like computer mouses, mice. I don't, okay. Alright, so, that was, doing a stylish now, what? I heckin' won. Yeah, as you can see, it has like funny text as well. I heckin' won. That was such a bad move. Alrighty. But yeah, as you can see, it's kind of fun. And then here we go. The music starts speeding up. And as you can see, you get bigger the more points you get. And okay. Of course, whenever you want, you can click escape to exit. Escape is the, at least on my computer, it is the left, it's like the top, it's in literally the top left corner. But yeah, and then as you can see, so yeah, I can literally put anything I want. Like, I can just grab this and I can literally just like spam. And yeah. So, recap, we're just going to type discord.com/ and then literally put anything you want as long as it's not like a real link. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this mouse. And then sneak along the side to grab the egg. Alrighty, we're gonna grab that. Heckin' good. Let's go. What? Oh yeah, and also, if you guys if you're going in a certain direction, you can't go directly backwards. Just like, kind of an obvious thing. So like, I'm going up, like with the W key. So if I click S, it wouldn't let me go backwards because that's of course running into your body. Like, if I'm going, left or right now, then clicking the left button, or whatever you want the left button is, whatever you want the left button as, then it will not let you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and also you can't run into your body either. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm so... Oh! But yeah, as you can see, the longer you get, the faster it gets. So, yeah, let me just grab a couple of things really quickly. Okay, I didn't, Okay, there we go. So now we should be getting longer. And there we go, I just ran into myself. As you can see, I formed a rectangle, but, like, I heckin' won, yay. So, yeah, anyway, guys, that's essentially how to unlock the secret Snek game within Discord. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the little bell icon. And something I noticed is whenever YouTubers say hit the little bell icon, whenever you click it, it gives you 3 options. You can either click personalized notifications, all notifications, or no notifications. I just thought that was pretty funny. So I clicked the little bell, and yeah, but click the little bell and click the all button instead of the none button. But yeah, anyway, join my Discord as well. Link in the description. See you guys in the next one.